What up? We finally made it. We finally made it. Yeah. There it is. Oh yeah. So we got this meal. It's called the super meal, and it's only 150 pesos. They get a bit of everything. You got spaghetti, chicken, burger, and steak. Amazing. Just loving the iced tea. Say hi. Okay. He loves this burger. Look at his face. And he bites it. Yummy.
Right now we're on our way to Tagaytay. Oh, by the way, welcome back to the vlog. Probably a new vlog. We are on our way to Tagaytay. Yeah. I know.
Made that money on a Monday, yeah. Ratchet bit on the runway, ooh. Throw that money on the runway, yeah. Ratchet bitch on the runway, yeah. Took her on a double date. She tryna eat good steak up on her plate. Gucci on my feet, ooh. Gucci on my face, yeah. She a thought, get up out my face, ooh. Damn, curry woo, diamond me flurry woo. Taking my money woo. Woo, yeah, hurry, woo. Don't make me flurry, woo. Taking my money, woo. We make a movie, boo. Yeah.
We made it. We're at Tagaytay. The ride up here was really nice. There's a lot of nice shops with like local flowers and vases and all that.
Very hot though.
Very hot.
In the car, I'm pretty much sure. Looks like I peed myself, but it's all sweat.
And as soon as we got out, there's people trying to sell us tours and everything. But we have our tour guide. Oh no, she's not. Over there. Say hi, tour guide.
Please don't be a hero. Bling, loud, chain on skateboard P. Bling, loud, chain on skateboard P. Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, loud, chain on skateboard P. Bling, loud, chain on skateboard P.
Made in Tokyo, damn, just like most my clothes, damn. Chain on skateboard P, skateboard PV, my OG. Whole city waiting on me. Fuck boy hate on me like it's they only J.O.B. You owe respect, yeah, pay your fee. I changed the game up like the last level, got beat as B.I.G. And I did the Jesus pieces, I did the Power 3 pieces. I'm your niggas OG, yeah. I'm at a level you can't see, yeah. Mine Jacob, yo shit, costume, jewelry, Halloween, yeah. Level up, never let my dogs down. let him up. You in a clique full of niggas I can never trust. Backstabbing, that was never us. Only thing behind the back was the past. Treat my first day like it's my last. Well, my first single was my last. That should show you right there where I'm at.
Yeah, we been going eight like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling loud, chain on skateboard. Bling loud, chain on skateboard. Yeah, going eight like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling loud, chain on skateboard. Bling loud, chain on skateboard. Yeah, hold up, baby girl. Yeah, you know I got it. Ooh yeah, ooh nigga kinda poppin'. I've been buying Louis, I've been shopping. Gotta get it, ooh, yeah, no option. Can't run it back, can't run it back. Switch her on the track, switch her on the track. Talking on that crack, talking on that crack.
That's the root.
Baby running back, baby
That is
running
insane.
back.
That's
Got a
something
rest today, she got a bag today. Didn't even feel some way, you let her shit say. Oh, I don't let it go, oh, I don't let it go, oh, I don't let it go.
Look at how thick the ash is.
Yeah, going eight like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero.
Whoa. Sorry. There is Taal. I think that's Taal.
So yeah, that's what Jen posted.
Yeah. Look at that. I think it's one of those things again where the video doesn't really do it justice. It doesn't do it justice. But once you're here, oh man. Wow! The real beauty! I think it doesn't do it justice when it's on camera, but when you're here, it's like a painting. So nuts, so crazy.
Take another photo.
There's the lookout.
Land, domestic air and domestic sea travel to and from Metro Manila shall be suspended beginning March 15, 2020 and to end on April 14, 2020. Ayaw namin gamitin yan pero kasi takot kasi with lockdown. But it's a lockdown. There is no struggle of power here. Walang away dito, walang gera. It's just a matter of protecting and defending you from COVID-19.
Hey guys, long time no vlog. What a stressful few, I guess, days or stressful night and morning it has been. Let's talk. Okay, so I just moved where it's a bit easier to talk because my grandma's sleeping, but we've had to rebook our flights back to Brisbane. So the original plan was we were going to be in Makati, which is like the city, from the 20th to the 30th. And because our flight was going to be leaving on the 30th, so being in Makati was easier for us to get to the airport. Because right now we're like further out, and like until then we were just going to stay here and just hang out. So like I said, our flight was on the 30th. We've now had to book our flight to this Sunday, which brings our holiday to a whopping 13 days or so, something like that. Because of this whole coronavirus incident, because now Manila is in lockdown. Manila is in lockdown from Sunday. International flights are fine, but no one is allowed to come in and out of Manila. So tomorrow night, we have to make our way to Manila. I'm gonna get a hotel there for all of us, and then we'll see what happens from there. But we have to get there and then stay overnight, and then we're on our way back to Brisbane, which is really sad, but it's fine. The only sucky thing is we had to pay like $800 to change our flights. It would have been more, but still, $800 down the drain. So pretty upset about that, but we still have money, so we're gonna do all of our stuff today and tomorrow. So we're gonna go and buy our stuff today and tomorrow. We'll see about tomorrow, because I don't want to, yeah. But yeah, that's where we're at. And I'm still trying to figure out how we're rebooking my grandma's one, because she's going to Perth, not to Brisbane. Oh, and also my cousin's wedding ended up getting postponed, which is really sad, because a lot of the guests are in Manila, and her wedding was going to be outside of Manila, so then they can't leave. Oh, it's just so much to deal with. But yeah, experience for the books.